The Democratic Alliance will approach the courts yet again in the cadre deployment matter. It will seek the court to order ANC Secretary-General Fikile Mbalula's arrest for not handing over the cadre deployment records. This comes after the Supreme Court of Appeal dismissed with costs the ANC's application for leave to appeal. The Gauteng High Court in Johannesburg's dismissal of its bid to appeal an earlier ruling ordering it to hand over the records to the DA. In the order issued earlier this month, the court cites no reasonable prospects of success. The ANC indicated that it will turn to the Constitutional Court in a final bid to appeal. But the DA says that the ANC has missed the deadline imposed by the court. The DA will subsequently launch a court application for contempt and hopes to send Mbalula to prison.
The DA can reveal that the ANC is in contempt of court over an order issued by the Supreme Court of Appeal which compelled the ANC to make public its cadre deployment records. In response to the ANC's defiance of this court ruling, the DA is approaching the courts for an order of contempt and will seek the committal to prison of ANC Secretary-General Fikile Mbalula. Since the ANC's doomed appeal at the Supreme Court of Appeal was filed under Mbalula's name, he has made himself guilty of the same contempt of court offence that led to the imprisonment of former President Jacob Zuma. The DA will consequently launch a court application to send Mbalula to prison using the very precedent established in the Zuma case. This is because the ANC is in contempt of the order issued by the Supreme Court of Appeal on the 4th of September. The court ordered that the ANC must hand over complete records of its cadre deployment committee during the period when President Cyril Ramaphosa was its chairman to the DA within 5 days. The ANC initially indicated that it would appeal this ruling to the Constitutional Court. However, the ANC has missed the 15-day deadline imposed by the court, which means the ANC is now in contempt of court in the absence of any appeal to the Constitutional Court.